Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video we are going to see how to write a program in Python to find area of a circle. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, in order to write the program, let's quickly move to VS Code. So first of all, let's create a new file by clicking onto this icon and let the file name be simply code.py. Now what we want is, we want to find the area of the circle, and we know the formula is pi r square. Now the thing is that r is the radius. So first of all we have to take the radius input from the user, and let's have a variable, let's say radius is, in which we want to take radius as the input, and let it be integer type as of now, and let's say enter the radius of circle. So this line will basically contain the radius which will be entered by the user, and that will be casted to integer type, right? Now let's find the area, and the area is simply what we know, it's pi r square, and the value of pi is 22 by 7. So what we are going to do is, we will write 22 into radius is squared, let it be simply radius into radius, divided by 7. So this is what, this is nothing but pi r square, and this is the area of circle. Now let's print it simply, and let's write area of circle is comma area. So having a quick recap of it, then we just have restored the number entered by the user, that is the radius stored, the radius entered by the user, and then we normally calculated the area of the circle using the formula of pi r square, where pi is nothing but 22 by 7, and then we are printing out what? We are printing out the area. Now let's hit enter and see if it works. So we'll give the command python and the file name .py, and see, it's asking me to enter the radius. So let's understand this. So we know that it's 22 into radius divided by 7. So let's give the radius as 1. So what will be the result? So the result would be nothing but 22 by 7, and see if it works. So the expected output should be nothing but 22 by 7, that is 3.14 and something. And boom, here you can see that it's giving the same. Now in order to try out with another input, let's have simply 0, that will give us nothing but 0, and see, here you can see it's 0. Actually 0.0, because we know that this is, since it's the division, so it's going to be under floating type, so that's why it's 0.0 rather than 0. So this was all about the video. This was all about how to find the area of a circle in Python if we are provided with radius. I hope you understood it. But still, if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop that down in the comment section. We will surely try to solve it as soon as possible. So this was all about the video. Thank you.